Welcome to our channel, Royalton Splash Punta Cana, honest review and full tour for 2025. In today's video, we're exploring everything this incredible all-inclusive resort has to offer. Located in the heart of Punta Cana, the Royalton Splash is perfect for families, couples, and anyone looking for a fun, luxurious escape. From the spacious modern rooms to the massive water park, there's no shortage of things to do here. We'll dive into the resort's top amenities, including the delicious dining options, stunning pools, and exciting activities. Plus, we'll share an honest review of the service, atmosphere, and what you can expect during your stay in 2025. So, if you're thinking about booking a trip to Royalton Splash Punta Cana, make sure to watch the full tour to get all the details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel reviews. Royalton Splash Punta Cana Honest Review and Full Tour 2025. The Royalton Splash Punta Cana is one of the Caribbean's premier all-inclusive resorts, boasting family-friendly amenities, luxury accommodations, and a wealth of on-site entertainment. Situated on the stunning Bavaro Beach, this resort is perfect for those seeking an exciting and relaxing tropical getaway. Whether you're traveling with kids or looking for a romantic retreat, Royalton Splash aims to meet all of your vacation needs. In this review, we'll explore everything from the accommodations to the food, amenities, and activities available at the resort, giving you an honest look at what you can expect during your stay in 2025. Location and first impressions. The Royalton Splash Punta Cana is nestled in the heart of the Dominican Republic's most famous beach area, Bavaro. The resort's lush tropical surroundings and direct access to a white sand beach are among its biggest draws. Upon arrival, the resort gives off an immediate air of luxury with palm-lined paths, welcoming staff, and a modern lobby that sets the tone for the rest of your stay. The Royalton Splash is part of the larger Royalton chain, known for its attention to detail and high-end family-centric service. This property is ideal for both families with young children and those who want to enjoy a mix of relaxation and adventure. Accommodations at Royalton Splash Punta Cana. The accommodations at the Royalton Splash Punta Cana are designed to offer both comfort and luxury, with a variety of room types to suit different group sizes and needs. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with a family, there's something for everyone. Standard rooms. The rooms at Royalton Splash are spacious with bright modern decor, large windows that let in natural light, and all the amenities you would expect from a high-end resort. Most rooms come with a balcony or terrace, giving you a beautiful view of either the resort grounds, the pool area, or the ocean. The beds are large and comfortable, and the rooms are equipped with modern furnishings, air conditioning, and high-quality linens. Luxury suites. For those seeking more space and luxury, the resort offers a selection of suites. These suites are designed to provide a higher level of comfort with upgraded features, including larger living areas, private balconies, and even swim-out pools in some cases. The Royalton luxury suites come with more personalized services such as butler service, daily room cleaning, and access to exclusive lounges and areas. Family-friendly options. Families traveling with children will be particularly pleased with the kid-friendly rooms and family suites available at Royalton Splash. Many of the family suites include special touches for kids such as bunk beds, play areas, and child-friendly amenities like high chairs and bottle warmers. Additionally, the resort offers connecting rooms for larger families, food and dining experience. Dining is one of the highlights at the Royalton Splash Punta Cana. The resort offers a variety of dining options that cater to different tastes and dietary preferences. With multiple a la carte restaurants, a buffet, and snack bars, there is something for everyone. Buffet dining. The main buffet restaurant at the resort offers a wide selection of international dishes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The buffet features an impressive array of fresh salads, meats, seafood, and desserts, as well as a made-to-order omelette station for breakfast. While the food quality is generally high, there are some mixed reviews when it comes to consistency, especially during peak meal times. A la carte restaurants. The Royalton Splash features several a la carte restaurants that offer specialty cuisines. From Mediterranean dishes to Italian and Asian fusion, there's no shortage of choices. Among the standout options are the Hunter Steakhouse, offering high-quality cuts of meat, and Zen, a teppanyaki-style Japanese restaurant where chefs cook right in front of you. One of the more unique features of these restaurants is the reservation system. There are no reservations required for most a la carte spots, which is a refreshing departure from other resorts that often require pre-booking. The snack bars and poolside dining. For more casual dining, there are poolside snack bars that serve a range of light bites, From tacos and burgers to pizzas and grilled sandwiches, these quick eats are perfect for those who want to grab something on the go without leaving the pool area. Pools and water park. One of the resort's biggest draws is its impressive water park, which is a great hit with families. The Splash Water Park is the largest of its kind in the area and features a wide array of water slides, splash pads, and a lazy river. Kids can spend hours sliding, splashing, and enjoying the attractions, while parents can relax at one of the nearby lounge areas or grab a drink from the poolside bar. In addition to the water park, the resort has multiple pools, including a swim-up bar pool and quieter, more relaxing pool areas. The pools are well maintained and the staff frequently checks in to ensure the pool area is clean and comfortable. Activities and entertainment. Royalton Splash Punta Cana offers a wide range of activities to keep guests entertained throughout the day. For those who enjoy more active pursuits, the resort has a fitness center, water sports such as kayaking and paddle boarding, and tennis courts. There's also a mini golf course and a climbing wall for families to enjoy. Kids club and family activities. The resort is exceptionally family-friendly, with a dedicated kids club for children aged 4 to 12. The club offers daily supervised activities, including arts and crafts, games, and mini-disco sessions. For teens, the resort has a teen lounge and offers a range of entertainment options such as video games, social areas, and organized group activities. Nighttime entertainment. The nightly entertainment at Royalton Splash Punta Cana is top-notch. The resort offers a variety of shows, from live music and theatrical performances to themed parties and beach bonfires. The entertainment is family-friendly, but there are also adult-oriented activities like karaoke and late-night dance parties at the on-site nightclub. Service and staff. The staff at the Royalton Splash Punta Cana consistently receive praise for their friendliness and professionalism. From the front desk team to the pool attendants and bartenders, the staff is attentive, polite, and ready to go the extra mile to ensure your stay is enjoyable. They're quick to address any concerns or requests, making sure guests feel well taken care of throughout their time at the resort. Spa and wellness. For those looking for a more relaxing experience, the resort's Royal Spa offers a full range of treatments. Massages, facials, and body wraps are available, with an emphasis on relaxation and rejuvenation. There is also a jacuzzi, steam room, and sauna available for guests who want to unwind. Pros of staying at Royalton Splash Punta Cana. Family-friendly, the resort is perfect for families with tons of activities for kids, including the Splash Water Park and Kids Club. Luxury accommodations, spacious modern rooms with luxurious touches. Excellent dining, a wide variety of dining options including a la carte restaurants and a buffet with plenty of options. Great pools, multiple pool areas including swim-up bars, a lazy river, and the exciting Splash Water Park. Fun activities, lots of entertainment for all ages including water sports, fitness programs, and nighttime shows. Cons of staying at Royalton Splash Punta Cana. Inconsistent buffet experience. Some guests have reported that the buffet can get crowded and the food quality can vary. Loud and crowded at times. Due to its popularity with families, the resort can feel crowded, especially during peak vacation times. Limited adult-only areas. While the resort has plenty of kid-friendly activities, it could benefit from more adult-only quiet spaces. The Royalton Splash Punta Cana is an excellent choice for families, couples, and anyone looking for a fun, all-inclusive resort experience. With its luxurious accommodations, top-notch dining, water park, and ample activities, it offers great value for money. While it can get crowded at times, the overall experience is overwhelmingly positive. Whether you want to relax by the beach, explore the resort's amenities, or enjoy an exciting family vacation, Royalton Splash Punta Cana has something for everyone. If you're planning a trip to the Dominican Republic in 2025, the Royalton Splash Punta Cana should definitely be on your list of potential resorts to consider. We hope this video helped you get a clear picture of what to expect during your stay at this amazing resort. From the luxurious accommodations to the family-friendly activities, it truly offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, Royalton Splash has it all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment with any questions or your own experiences at the resort. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel reviews and tips to help you plan your perfect vacation. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.